The time's now 5:37 here on this beautiful Tuesday morning. And I mean, Alex, it was just a little bit of a shocker to like walk out the door this morning. Yesterday I needed a jacket, but this morning I was like, oh, I'm good.
Yeah, we are some 20 degrees warmer than we were yesterday morning, thanks to that southerly wind we have out there. And yes, the temperatures right now here at 37 minutes after 5 are close to our, if not right on the dot of our average high temperature for this day. Let's check it all out. Here's a live look over downtown. We do have temperatures in the 60s. Now, you heard me correctly. 65 is the current number in Macon right now. A wind out of the west-southwest at 11 miles an hour. Wanya is right. I grabbed a fleece jacket this morning and promptly took it off when I walked outside. 65 in Roberta, 65 in Byron, 66 waking up in Fort Valley, 65 down in Hawkinsville, 64 in Forsyth, and 63 in Thomaston. Fairly uniform across the area. A pair of 6s down in Rochelle, McRae, and in Vidalia this morning, with the southwesterly wind continuing here across all of central Georgia. That's what's helping keep us warm. So the radar spinning around from Jeffersonville. It's not finding anything in central Georgia right now. However, up towards the north, say near Athens and Atlanta, running into a few showers up there. Those are trying to slide down to the south, and they'll have some luck in doing so today. Here we are at 11 a.m. Scattered showers in and around central Georgia, and then maybe a steadier rainfall and maybe even a rumble of thunder or two once you get up towards Lake Country, say Putnam County over towards Hancock County. However, the rain chance today is going to be relatively low, so your likelihood of staying dry is going to be high. We'll even see the sun in a few spots later on today as temperatures make their way into the 70s. But we're going to be in an unsettled pattern for the next week or so with the southerly wind coming in off the Gulf of Mexico. So here we are tomorrow morning with the potential for a few showers before we break the sun out by about the noon hour. And each day is going to be progressively warmer than the previous until we get to the end of the week. And there's Thursday morning, still the possibility of maybe a shower or two as temperatures are able to get their way into the 80s. So the warmth is going to continue today, forecasting a high of 78 after getting into the mid 70s yesterday. 82 for tomorrow. How about 84 for Thursday? Those are going to be putting some records in jeopardy. So the record for Wednesday, 83, set back in 2019. I'm forecasting a degree shy of that. However, for Thursday, I'm forecasting to break that. 82 was the record set back last year in 2022. Now, this is going to be on top of what has been a very warm month for us here in central Georgia. The February temperatures, 14 above average days, 6 below average days. And to be quite honest with you, our above average days were significantly above average. We've gone from our averages being from 60 to 65 from the first of the year until now. And we've been talking about a stretch of 70s, 80s. And yeah, it has been a warm February, no secret about it. Today, also no exception, going with 78 as the high. A few spots could break 80. Again, that average high is now 65. It's also going to be gusty. Notice those winds gusting up to 20 miles an hour. Sunrise continues to get earlier at 7:12. There's the 7-day forecast. 82 for tomorrow, 84 on Thursday, a 10% chance of rain both days. Did bump that up to 20% for Friday with a high of 79. If you were watching yesterday morning, we also bumped down the Friday and Saturday temperatures, forecasting a little more cloud cover across the area, which will keep us just a bit cooler.